Now I am considering second configuration. Second one, I am trying to answer to the second one, given by lambda is equal to k sine pi z divided by. First I am calculating monopole moment. Q is equal to summation over lambda dl. Lambda is how much? K into sine pi z divided by a into dz between the limits minus a to plus a. That is equal to what you're going to get here. Integration of sine theta minus k into a divided by pi into sine, integration of sine is cos. Cos pi z divided by a between the limits minus a to plus a. That is equal to minus ka divided by pi into, if you substitute a cos pi is minus 1 minus, when we substitute minus a, minus pi, cos of minus theta is cos theta only, cos pi is minus 1, again minus 1. Altogether this integration is 0. So for this second charge configuration, contribution due to monopole is 0. Then I will go for dipole, contribution due to dipole. So here I will come back, n is equal to 0 is not contributing anything over here. Now I will go for n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 1, I1 is equal to how much you will be getting? Integral over z power 1, that is z into lambda. Here dl is charge is distributed along z axis. Gl should be replaced divided by dz only. So now I am going for this dipole term. P is equal to how much you will be getting? K into integral over minus a to a z into sine pi z divided by a dz. So here we need to use UE formula. Okay, substitute U is equal to Z and V dash is sine pi Z divided by A. Then V is equal to how much you will be getting? Integration of this minus A divided by pi into cos pi Z divided by. This I am using in this expression. What is that integral formula? Summation over uv dash is equal to uv minus integral over v u dash. In this I am going to use this. That is equal to z into v. V is how much? Minus a divided by pi, minus a divided by pi into cos pi z divided by a. Between the limits minus a to plus a minus. Next vu dash. V is how much? Minus a by pi. Minus into minus plus a divided by pi into summation over minus a to a. This is how much? Cos pi z divided by a. Cos pi z divided by a into u dash is how much? U is z. U dash is dz into dz. That is equal to minus a divided by pi into, first we should substitute upper limits. Z is equal to how much? A into cos pi z divided by z is equal to a gets cancelled. Cos pi is how much? Minus 1. Next minus lower limit, z is equal to minus a into cos of minus theta is cos theta only, again you will be getting minus 1 plus a divided by pi into Integration of cos theta is how much? Sine, and a by pi comes here. A divided by pi into sine pi z divided by a. Between the limits minus a to plus a. Anyhow, this term will vanish. Only term that is written over here is this one. So this is minus a. This is minus into minus, plus into minus a. Minus a is how much? Minus 2a. Minus into minus, plus 2a square divided by pi. So the value of this integral is how much? 2a square divided by pi. Therefore, dipole moment P is given by how much it is coming? 2a square k divided by pi. Now, by using this, I am going to write down the expression for potential due to dipole. Therefore, V as a function of R for dipole contribution to the, here monopole contribution is 0, is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into, okay, n is equal to 1 here, because of which you will be getting P2 of cos theta. P2 of cos theta is P1 of cos theta, because n is equal to 1. P1 of cos theta value is cos theta only. Cos theta divided by, okay, n is equal to 1 means r square into 2a square k divided by, that is equal to, therefore potential due to dipole, V dipole, is equal to what you're going to get here? 2a square k cos theta divided by 4 pi square epsilon naught into r square. This is the expression for potential due to this second kind of configuration.